welcome to another DB Overland vlog. It is 12:30 a.m. It is now past midnight and we are ready to start the engine. It has been a huge battle to get to this point, but it's finally in, and now we got to start it, get it tuned, so I can drive it in the next 5 hours to work. So come along and let's see how this thing runs. In the last video, I was able to get the engine all put back together and all the fluids topped off: oil, power steering, antifreeze. So now the only thing left to do is see if she'll fire up. Hopefully everything is smooth going and she'll fire right up for us. Alright, the engine's in. We are topped off with oil. We are topped off with coolant. Everything should be hooked up. The distributor is just snug because I know I'm going to have to adjust that. So let's give it a try. Let's crank it over. Ooh, that's a good sign. At least we got power. All right. We're in neutral. Okay, let's see what it does. Come on, get that fuel up to the pump or up to the fuel rail. Ooh. There we go. She's just kind of clearing up herself a little bit. A little low on power steering fluid. I can hear it squawking. Oh, this is good. This is really good. We got oil pressure's decent. Not too bad on oil pressure. Alright. At least according to that gauge. It's climbing. Nice. Let's go see how everything looks out here. All right. Oh, not bad. Let's top off this power steering fluid. She's whining. Oh yeah, definitely low. Yeah, okay. Whoa, get back here. Stay. Alright. That looks good. Motor sounds good. Valves sound good. Let's check the coolant level. And we are low. So let's add some coolant to this. Just heard a weird tick over there, but I think we're good. So let's add some more coolant to this. On a new engine install, it's always good after the initial start to go back and check all the fluids, the oil, the antifreeze, your power steering, and just make sure everything is topped off before you actually start the engine and run it for a length of time. And it's always good to let the engine come up to temperature all the way to make sure that there's no coolant leaks or no oil leaks, because gaskets and parts do expand before you go out and take it on a test drive. And that's what I'm letting it do. I'm letting the engine warm up fully and letting it idle for a while I button up the rest of the parts. All right, here we go. It's first move. Let's see how this does. Ooh, I think I need to adjust the clutch a little bit. Ooh, that's right off the floor. Yeah, I'm gonna have to adjust that. Oh, sweetness. Sweet, 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 sweet. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think I'm definitely gonna have to get underneath, or oh, that's better. Stupid floor mat. That's still, ooh, that's still right off. Yeah, that's right off the floor. So I think I'm gonna have to adjust that pedal a little bit. Let's see here. Sweet. Well, let's take it for a drive. Sorry if you can't see this. Sometimes I just can't wait. I gotta get stuff. You know, it may be 2 o'clock in the morning, but I still gotta try it out. Oh man. Ooh, a little bogged down on the idle. Might have to kick the idle up a little bit. She's at 500. Ooh, there we go. Clutch is getting better. Just need a couple of takeoffs to get it settled in. Ooh, yeah. Oh. All right. Not bad, not bad. Oh, man. Well worth it. Well worth it. Well worth it. Oh, this makes me so much happier. Ooh, yeah, she's bogging down to about 300 RPM when I let off the throttle. So I'm gonna have to kick the throttle up just a little bit. It's sitting right at about 500 right now. I like to have it about 8. Ooh, clutch is way better. Way better on the clutch. Just needed that couple of initial takeoffs. Uh-huh. Ooh. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh my goodness. I tell you what, carbs suck. Oh my gosh, this motor rips. This is great. Yeah. Oh, well, thanks guys, and stay tuned because we're not done. The truck's all put together now, but we gotta get the back end of this thing all prepped and ready to go. I still gotta get my tent mounted, and I've got all this electrical, you know, inside the cab that I gotta get. I gotta mount my LED light bar. Got to get my air system going. I've got the compressor hooked up, but I still got to hook up the air line to my air locker, and then I've got to mount my air chucks for airing up my tires outside the canopy. So lots and lots of work to do, but not nearly as challenging as getting this motor swap done. So, well, stay tuned. We'll see you later.